And I am not ST in 2025. I stopped waiting for someone to save me. Because I finally understood no one was coming. The world had already turned its back, closed its doors, and left me to bleed in the dark. And for a long time I blamed it. I blamed everyone who doubted me, betrayed me, forgot me. But the truth was colder than betrayal. I wasn't fighting them, I was fighting myself. There came a night when the silence got too heavy, and every old wound demanded an answer. I looked in the mirror and didn't see a victim anymore. I saw the version of me that survived every storm meant to break me, and that's when it clicked. Pain wasn't my enemy. It was the architect of everything I was becoming. So I rebuilt quietly, brutally, relentlessly. I dragged my weaknesses through fire, buried my excuses, and learned to walk with the shadows that used to terrify me. I didn't need applause. I didn't need permission. I needed transformation, and now I rise without asking anyone to understand me. Because in 2025 I owe it to the person who never quit on Meth 1. Staring back in the mirror, they can doubt me, they can fear me, but they will never see me fall again. This is the year I reclaim everything they tried to bury. My strength, my focus, my throne. Epping back. Not now, not ever.